Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here a Laxasfit smartwatch, and on this video we are going to show you the process on how to change the time from 24-hour to 12-hour format time. We will also show you the process on how to adjust the time, the date, without pairing it with a smartphone. You can change it independently. You can change the time independently without pairing it with our smartphone or the support app. So if you are interested to see the process on how to change the time, watch this video, and again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's start first with changing the time of our smartwatch, okay, directly here on the wearable. All you have to do is just go to your settings. Latest Laxasfit smartwatches do have this feature. Go to the settings, then select time setting, and as you can see here, our time right now is 6:48. So we will change it to 10:50. Okay, you can also change the date here and the format to 24-hour format time. Let's see. Okay, as you can see here, we have a different time right now, and it's military time. So you can set it here directly on the smartwatch without pairing it with the support app. Here in the application, you can also change it and synchronize the time with your smartphone. So we have here 6:49. So let's synchronize the system time. Select it, then set successfully. Let's see. And as you can see here, we have a different time, and the date also updated to 2026. If you want to change it to 12-hour format time, just toggle this one off, and as you can see, automatically our time here is switched to 6:49, and we have also the current date. Okay, so very easy to use, very easy to set with our Laxasfit powered smartwatch. Previous Laxasfit smartwatches don't have a support for setting the 12-hour format time. Right now we already have this feature. Okay, just go to the device settings. We also have the time or the option to synchronize the time with your system time of your smartphone. And of course, the first one that we set, we do have an option to set the time even though it is not connected to our smartphone. Again, we have all apps here, and go to the settings, all apps. We have the settings here, and it's time settings, and we have here the options. That's it for our tutorial on how to set your Laxasfit smartwatch, okay, to the current time, to change the time, as well as to set from 24-hour format time to 12-hour format time, and at the same time synchronize the time to your smartphone. If you have any questions regarding the tutorial, drop a comment below, and of course, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.